Hello everyone, here we are, Module 4, Lesson 7 homework. And in this homework, the objective is to measure and draw angles. We're going to use a protractor, and you're also going to sketch angle measurements and verify them with a protractor. So you do have a protractor, and you're going to use your problem set to help you because the problem set and the homework are identical, and you're only going to answer the questions that are circled, but this video will show the entire homework. So you can try it, but you only have to do the ones that are circled. So we're going to use this protractor as we have before, and it says construct angles that measure the given number of degrees. So for problems 1 through 4, use the ray shown as the rays of the angle with its endpoint at the vertex. So they want you to draw an angle of 25 degrees. So we have to have this ray at 0 and the vertex right here. We know that 25 is halfway between 20 and 30, so we're going to make the other ray come right here. We're going to draw it so that it goes through there. And that's on the next slide. For this, we want it to be 85 degrees. So the vertex is here in the middle. Here is the ray. We're going to use the black numbers and go all the way halfway between 80 and 90 for 85. And we're going to make the ray there. So if you look at the next one, since we made the dot here, we're just going to draw the line to connect to that spot, which is 25, and we're going to draw this arc. For here, we drew a dot here, so we knew where 85 was, and we're going to draw the ray to connect to that dot, and we're going to draw the arc. So I have to do it on 2 different slides so you can see it. So the same for this. Now, again, this is not at the exact vertex here. We're going to be using the blue numbers, and we're going to go all the way around to 140 and make a dot there. So we know that that's where we're going to draw a ray to connect. For 83 degrees, we're going to make the vertex is right here in the middle, go through 0, and we're going to use the black numbers and go all the way up to 80, 1, 2, 3, and make a dot. Now my dots are huge so that you can see them, but you can make a littler dot. Then you remove the protractor and you're left with the dots. And you start at the vertex and you draw a ray to that point, and then you make your arc to show that it's obtuse. The same thing for here. You draw another ray to that point, and then you draw an arc to show that that's the angle. We have 108. We don't have any rays, so we know that this is the vertex. We make a dot here. We're going to use the blue numbers, so we have a dot here at 0, and then we use the blue numbers, and we get all the way over here to 100, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make a dot here. So we have our vertex and we have our 2 rays. But we have to get rid of the protractor, and that's the next slide. For 72, here's our vertex. Here's 0. We're going to use the blue numbers, 70, 1, 2, dot. So we have our vertex, ray here, ray here. Do you see our dots? So our vertex, we make a ray to this point and a vertex to this point, and we make our arc. Same thing here, vertex, a ray here, a ray to this point, arc. Same for this. We need our vertex, 0, 25, 10, 20, halfway between 20 and 30 is 25. So those are our 3 points. 155, the vertex, 0, use the blue numbers, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have our points. Move the protractor, vertex, ray to this point, arc. That's a 25-degree angle. Vertex, ray to this point, arc. That's 155 degrees. Same idea. Vertex, 0, 45, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vertex, 0, 130, 5. We have our points. We connect a ray to here, connect a ray to here, draw an arc. Connect a ray to here, draw an arc for 135.